Job 542 page number, and Psalms 572 page number, Proverbs 644 page number, Ecclesiastes 669 page number, Song of Solomon 677 page number, Isaiah 682 page number, Jeremiah 738 page number, Lamentations 801 page number, Ezekiel 806 page number, Daniel 863 page number, Hosea 881 page number, Joel 889 page number, Amos 891 page number, Obadiah 898 page number, Jonah 899 page number, Micah 901 page number, Nahum 906 page number, Habakkuk 908 page number, Zephaniah 911 page number, Haggai 913 page number, Zechariah 915 page number, Malachi 925 page number. These are all Old Testament books, are 39 books are finished, and new books of New Testaments book and page number: Matthew 931 page number, Mark 968 page number, Luke 991 page number, John 1031 page number, the Acts 1061 page number, Romans 1099 page number, 1 Corinthians 115 page number, 2 Corinthians 1130 page number, and Galatians 1139 page number, and Ephesians 1145 page number, and Philippians 1150 page number, and Colossians 1153 page number, and 1 Thessalonians 1157 page number, and 2 Thessalonians 1160 page number, and 1 Timothy 1162 page number, 2 Timothy 1166 page number, Titus 1169 page number, Philemon 1170 page number, Hebrews 1171 page number, James 1182 page number, 1 Peter 1186 page number, 2 Peter 1190 page number, 1 John 1193 page number.